everyone, so I had a request to do a video updating you guys on my Tropix skincare I guess journey. And to be honest, when I first did the video, my goal was to use Tropix only products for a month straight and just to see the results and how it looked like only using those products. But after that month, I have been adding different things to my routine to kind of help it along. And I had a request to do an update on my skin, and I still do use Tropix products. I typically only use them in the morning, and then at night I go in with like a gentle exfoliant or something like that just to help speed along the dark mark process of my skin journey. Because I really do want to get rid of those, or at least lighten them up as much as I can naturally before I probably go in and do like a chemical peel or something like that. I'm still kind of debating on that, but I just wanted to do this update video for you all if you're interested, and for the women who actually requested it. So in my last video, I just do close-ups of my face, and I was going to compare that from the first time, like day one, to the month later until now. It's been about another month since I've been using Tropix in that line, so you guys can see kind of like a 2-month journey, if you will. And again, I have been using other products, so this just isn't Tropix doing, but I just wanted to reiterate that just in case. But I do really like the products. I'm not honestly sure. I'm not sure if I want to buy them again, just because I feel like, I don't know, like it doesn't prevent breakouts, like I said in my first video, but it does help the breakouts in a way. So, but I think if I do purchase anything from Tropix again, it will either be the mask or the moisturizer, because those two things are just amazing. I love the moisturizer and I love the Jungle Clay mask. So those are probably like the two only products that I will buy again. But I would definitely start venturing out to more companies and seeing and try to really find like my holy grail products, because I do want to use this kind of one product. I don't want to be, you know, using like dozens of products. I do kind of want to stick to like one brand, but I know that's kind of not rational, if you will. So I'm just going to try to figure out like a really good cleanser. I think I just really need to find a really good cleanser, and then from then on I'll be great. But anyway, enough rambling. I'm going to go show you guys my skin, and again compare it from day one to a month until now. Okay, so this is my skin. Again, as you guys can see, I still do have hyperpigmentation, dark marks on my face. But for the most part, it is definitely clear rid of pimples besides this one. And then on this side, it's basically the same. I think I have like 2 or so here, and these are fairly new. So yeah. And then on my forehead, I have this one. This one is going down, and I have another one here. So again, like I said, it doesn't exactly prevent the breakouts, but it does help it in a way. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any other comments, requests, concerns, whatever, leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll put all the links and everything in the description box. Make sure you read that, because my sister is also having a YouTube channel, so I'm going to try to promote her as much as I can. So please go check out her channel for me, and thank you guys so much for watching again. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.